Friends, this is a small review on H18 Plus which I bought from AliExpress. I bought this after inquiring about the product details, whether it supports smart TV or not, and as per the site it had mentioned that it supports smart TV and Android TV box. So I decided to buy this, and before I could purchase it I made a inquiry about the product, whether will it work with my Panasonic 3D Smart TV. So I was informed yes, it works with it. Thereafter I purchased this product and it came to me, I think it took around a month to reach me. And after getting it, I was very happy about this product. I've seen the reviews on the net, and all the reviews were very positive. So I was happy about buying a good product, and there's no doubt about this product that this product is very good. But for me, it didn't support my work because it doesn't support my Panasonic Smart TV, which is a 42 inches TV with 3D features, and I've connected my TV with my my Blu-ray disc, Blu-ray home theater system, and according to the salesperson of AliExpress, this is supposed to be working with my smart TV. So I tried to do the same, and to my surprise it didn't work out. So I had contacted the seller again for the same, and I told the problem that it is not working with my TV. So he asked me to make a small video about this and post it on YouTube. So I'm making this video for that purpose.